So I ask you, church, now that you come down from the mountain of Easter, are you ready to step in the battle now? The battle below, down in your valley. Today we're going to start another series, Restoration to Reign and Becoming the Army of the Lord. Now, restoration is not just for comfort. It's for our commission. Let's go to Ezekiel chapter 37. So I prophesied as he commanded me, and the breath came into them, and they lived and stood up upon their feet, an exceeding great army. Look at the word army in the Hebrew. Chayil means strength, virtue, valor, efficiency, wealth, and power. It paints the picture of a coordinated, forceful collective, not merely individuals, but a unified host empowered by God. Chayil is often used in Scripture to describe both military strength and moral excellence, showing that the dual nature of God's army is righteous and ready.